is me. Oh, pitiful position. I am a mess from stuffed-up nose condition. Oh, cursed ills of fever and chills, till I heard the word about tidy time pills. I seized the suggestion to ease my congestion, but to sneeze or not to sneeze, that is the question.
Whether 'tis nobler to suffer, or to buffer, or to stuffer with aspirin, or is it best to get undressed and in a tub there to rub alcohol upon my chest?
Alcohol, aye, there's the rub, alas, poor Yorick. He takes paregoric for fair Ophelia before she's kissed. She always uses nasal mist.
Alas, it brought our romance to a close. Oh, wretched fool to kiss a girl with a plastic bottle in her nose.
I took histamine for my nasal droop, antihistamine for my bronchial croup. I even stooped to chicken soup.
Which travails caused me serious menace till I spoke with the merchant of Venice. He said, Hamlet, when you've got nasal woes, just take out your hanky and blow your nose.
Friends, greater love can no man show. And now, if you'll excuse us, we've got to blow.